I'm still making money selling books on Amazon. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stranger, and in this video I want to talk about something I talked about a lot actually on this channel, which is making money selling Kindle books. Alright, guys, if you're watching this video, take my word for it. You can really make money doing this, and I'm gonna put right here, bam, little screenshot of my Kindle account, and you see where I made 3 sales as I'm recording this video. This actually May, well, the sales are from May 16th, whatever. Today's actually May 17th when I'm shooting this video. It'll probably be posted on Monday, probably on the 20th or whatever. But anyway, as you can see, I made 3 sales. Now you might be thinking, so what? Who cares? I care because it's my money. Second of all, the books that I sold, they get these 3. I looked to see what they were, and they were books that I have not promoted in 2 years. Unfortunately, it's amazing the power of the internet and the power of selling Kindle books on Amazon, because you can get passive income, and that's what a lot of people who search and watch these videos, that's what they're after, passive income. And having, I think, 7 books on for sale, 7 Kindle books right now, about 4 of them consistently brings in sales. I do have like 3 books that don't bring in that much money, to be dead honest with you. But with Kindle, you really gotta, in my opinion, or unless you really focus on one book and promote the crap out of it, the Kindle game is more like you want to have a lot of books. I mean, if you can put out a book a month, you'll be doing pretty good. If you can get it to the point where you're putting out a couple books a month, you're really gonna be doing big things. But I would just start, if you could, like one book a month, or like bare minimum try to get 1 book out every 2 months, 2 to 3 months. All right, if you want to see some sort of money with Kindle. But guys, this is real, and this is an awesome feeling to see. You just randomly check your account and you see you sold 3 books in one day, to the point and you actually got to look and see what books were, what books was it that sold, right? So a lot of people, when they watch these videos, are like, all right, dude, how do you do it? I want to know how. Here's how you do it. You got to research, on Amazon. You want to see what's selling, okay? You want to see what's selling. You want to see, the search rate, the popularity of the category that you want to jump into. And then you got to create the book. So you might be watching like, I want more. I need more. You break it all the way down. Well, this is why, as an internet marketer, as somebody who does this is where I always recommend KMoney Mastery. Why? Because KMoney Mastery did all the work, right? KMoney Mastery put together a system that's 110% all about making money selling Kindle books, right? Of course, I could just plagiarize his whole program and tell you every detail in the book, but I mean, not the book, in the course, but that's not ethical. That's not right. You know what I'm saying? Like this, the creator is named Stefan. Yeah. He created KMoney Mastery, and this is the course that actually taught me how to make Kindle sales. This is the course that taught me how to do it. So, I'm letting you know how I learned how to do this, but I'm giving you the basics behind it. And I will say this: how-to books are very good books to create on Amazon. How to do this, how to do that. Those are the books that can generate you some nice income. There's other categories that you can make some nice money with. But guys, you gotta, if this interests you at all when you're watching this and you're like, okay, I really want to do this, because there's some people out there who making 6 figures a year just off of Kindle books. I'm not doing that because you already know, if you watch my channel, I'm all over the place. I'm doing a lot of different things. I can't be 100% just a Kindle publisher. I just can't. But maybe you can. Maybe that's what you want to do. You want to publish Kindle books. And if you do, I'm telling you, get KMoney Mastery. All right. It is a investment in yourself, and it's not a lot of money at all, especially with the earning potential. All right. But if you, like I said, want to know the basics, what you will be doing is doing some research, seeing what's selling on Kindle, doing a little research and writing a book or getting it written for you, right, which is covered in the course, whatever. But you're going to learn how to publish, you're going to have to find your market. And once you find that market, you could just keep milking it. And you could even branch out into other niches if you want. But guys, in my opinion, you will see sales after getting this course. Like, I'm proof of it. I'm a normal dude hustling like everybody else, and I make money selling Kindle books. It's that simple. All right. So guys, if you're serious about it, you want to take a look at the course that I use that taught me how to make money selling Kindle books. Link in the description. KMoney Mastery. It is a really, really good course. Trust me, when you see it, you're gonna be like, oh, damn, this was worth it. All right. So check that out, guys. Also, leave some comments, any questions. I'll try to answer them. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel if you're not, and hit that notification bell, because you'll know when I be dropping these videos. All right. Till the next time. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.